when you have to get them out and you don't know what to do, and they threaten you and tell you they know the law and they are the reincarnation of Johnny Cochran, and you'll never get them out, and they know all the laws. They don't know everything. We will get them out. We guarantee our services. We're bonded and all of that, right? So if you have a problem tenant, relative or not, 562-307-1541, website, thelandlordadvocates.com.
That was a good speech.
I'm Alex. We are residential mortgage brokers. We are not tied down to just one bank. We have over 50 different lenders that we work with to source the capital for your deal. We specialize in 1 to 4 unit financing. That's our bread and butter. We have over 50 different lenders that we work with. We have FHA, VA, USDA, also non-QM programs as well. If you don't qualify for any full doc program, we can also use your bank statements to qualify you, or a P&L if you do not show enough on your tax returns. If you're buying out of state, you can also use the rental income to help you qualify. You don't have to go off of your income. So there are a lot of different programs to get you guys qualified for a purchase, written term, or a cash out. HELOCs are also super popular. 5-day HELOC is very, very popular right now. A lot of people have 2%, 3% rates. Nobody wants to refinance. Can't blame them. 2%. The HELOCs are very quick, 5 days, no appraisal needed, and we can get them funded in about 5 days. Call me at 626-922-4410. Thanks so much.